Now this is a MOA yellow Scotch bonnet pepper. Today I planted this thing in the ground back in May. It hasn't been fertilized since I had it in a small Pepsi bottle. It hasn't been fertilized since it's been in the ground. But we're going to see how many peppers this thing produces. Loaded down. It has a lot more blooms on it. They're not going to produce any more this year. Maybe these green ones will ripen up. Maybe have a month to do it. Maybe, I don't know. But we're going to see how many peppers we can get from this thing. They're already ripened on it. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 21 right there. That's 2 limbs. 30. There's 40 so far. Six, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 3, 4, 55, 6, 7, 58, 60, 63, 64, 72 so far. There's something gonna rot it. There's well over 100. $76. 7. 78. 9. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88, 9, 90, we're up to 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 99, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 106, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, up to 116, 17, 18, 19, 120, 121 peppers in here. And there's still 20 or 30 more. They're not ripe and they're green. I'm leaving on here right now. And plus, there's a bunch of blooms all in here. So, this thing produced one plant, probably 150, 160 peppers. Got 120, so that thing is loaded. I poured them out on the table so you can see how many there are. I went outside and picked a few more. I got another 8 or 10 more. Got 130 here right now, and there's still more out there to be picked. There's probably another 30 on there that are still green. They're starting to yellow, but I doubt they'll get fully ripened before the end of the season. Before it gets really cold by the end of October. Starts getting cooler. So, well, that'll make a lot of hot sauce, so. But if you, pretty impressed with this. So, If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching.